You sit down, ready to work, but by mid-morning, your energy's already crashing?
That's Parth right now, and maybe you too. Here are 5 research-backed morning habits to fix your energy all day.
Pay extra attention to habit number 4. It's the secret to beating that afternoon slump, even when work gets crazy.
Skip it and you'll be fighting fatigue all day long.
Habit 1. Hydrate before caffeine. Your body loses water overnight, and even mild dehydration can really hit your energy levels and thinking speed.
One study found that losing just 1–2% of your body's water
can hurt how well you pay attention and remember things. And caffeine on top of that just makes it worse. So before you grab that coffee or chai, down a big glass of water.
Around 500 milliliters, like this bottle. It'll rehydrate you, fire up your metabolism, and clear your head.
You'll feel sharper almost right away.
A breakfast high in simple carbs floods your system, then leaves you crashing, tired, and sluggish.
Instead, focus on protein. Studies show that a protein-rich breakfast keeps you feeling full longer and reduces cravings.
Aim for at least 20–30 grams of protein in the morning. Think 3 eggs, a cup of Greek yogurt, or a handful of almonds.
This provides a steady release of energy, supports brain function, stabilizes your mood, and prevents that mid-morning slump.
Sitting for too long cuts your blood flow and drains energy.
One study showed that even short bursts of activity can fight fatigue.
Before work, get at least 10–15 minutes of movement. A quick walk, some yoga, even simple stretches. Think of it as priming the pump.
Movement boosts blood flow, feeds your brain oxygen, and releases endorphins to lift your mood and energy.
It's like hitting a reset button.
Light is the most powerful regulator of your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock that governs sleep and energy. Exposure to morning sunlight tells your brain to suppress melatonin, helping you feel alert. Neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman at Stanford emphasizes viewing sunlight within the first hour of waking.
Step outside for 10–15 minutes without sunglasses.
Even on cloudy days, the light is strong enough to have a real effect.
Think of it as setting your internal clock for the day, promoting better sleep and consistent energy.
Immediately checking email, social media, or news first thing triggers stress and splinters your attention, draining your mental energy before your workday even begins.
Studies show that constant connectivity can increase anxiety and hurt your focus.
Try waiting an hour after waking before you check your phone. Instead, focus on hydration, protein, movement, and sunlight.
Starting the day clear and focused beats getting bombarded with demands.
Think of it as a buffer zone for your mental energy, like putting on noise-canceling headphones for your mind.
Let's recap. We talked about ditching the caffeine jitters with preemptive hydration
And using sunlight to fix your sleep cycle. Your energy isn't fixed, it's built, habit by habit, every morning. Subscribe now for more science-backed energy tips.
Next up, Parth's Guide to Falling Asleep in Under 10 Minutes.
Drop a comment. Which of these habits will you try first?